Hey guys, it's John Manzano here. I hope you guys are doing well today or tonight. In today's topic, we're going to explore this WhatsApp where you can now actually use AI wallpaper. So what we're going to do is go to settings and we're going to go to chats and go to default chat theme. As you can see, I've already created one, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to click on the reset theme, okay? We're going to wallpaper, and as you can see in the top it says choose from photos, set a color, create with AI. We're going to create with AI. So from here you'll be able to see all these different photos, and I'm just going to pick probably this one. It will load for like a couple of seconds and you can actually select this AI wallpaper. That is beautiful. Also this one. After that, just click the OK, done, and set. And there you have it. You already have the wallpaper set to actually use with your friends. Anyway, cheers, bye.